Hello, hello, welcome back, everybody. Like I promised, we're going to do market analysis. Not market analysis, more of like my week recap or like my losses to see what actually happened. Okay, so for Friday, this happened. The 15-minute time frame, I had an order block right here. I had an order block here, and as you can see, market came to retest this order block. That's why I put my entry over here. Let me show you. The market tapped into this area of interest here. Market tapped into this, then started pushing up. And so I took my entry here, my long entry here, in for 1 to 2. But as you can see, I shouldn't have put my stop loss here. I should have waited for the market to come back and retest this area. But okay, excuse me. But yeah, market came, hit my stop, stopped me out, then pop, hit TP. So for this, what should I have done? Honestly, I could have just waited for it to come back, retest this area a little bit more, then put my entry here. Eh, First, as it's going down, these lower highs, as you can see, the candlestick closed above these previous lower highs. This candlestick, so there's a break of structure here. Honestly, the moment it closed, it went back down. So I could just put an entry here, a long entry here, and then put my stop loss a few pips below where I initially put it, like I said I would, and then aim for 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2, very possible. It hit TP and kept going up. I could even aim for a bit of a higher risk reward ratio, but I like working with 1 to 2 because it keeps me structured. It keeps me locked in. So yeah, this was Friday. This was Friday. Is actually what happened on Friday. Yeah, this is what I should have done. But let me take this off. This is what I should have done. But I rushed my entry. But still, I had my entry here, somewhere here. Then I don't know why I put my stop loss here. Oh yeah, because of this. I put my stop loss because of this area of interest here. Then I aim for 1 to 2. It still played out though. Still played out because this is what's it called? This is all I wanted to see. Even if I hit my stop loss, I want to be sure that I'm doing the correct thing. My market analysis is on the roof. That is what I want. I want to know. I want to find out by myself. Like I want to prove to myself that I can do it. It's possible. If it was possible for me to predict the market to, to hit my TP here, and it did, I'm on the right path. In my own opinion, I feel like I'm on the right path. But yeah, this was Friday, and okay, let's move to Thursday. I don't think Thursday took a setup. Yeah, Thursday didn't take a setup. But my boy Jack, sorry for name dropping. I have one of my friends. I taught them how to trade. He took a sell in. He took a position here. Forget about this. That wasn't mine. Yeah, this is his position. He took this position here. Yeah, beautiful, just wonderful. And makes me very proud. Yeah, I took this position. I should have seen it, but I was focused on GBP during that time, so I didn't pay much attention. Here's another one. Okay, this didn't go this way. Yeah, it did. I was just doing some. Okay, quick up. This went. Uh, yeah, this went more of like this. Like I said, previous of the block. Yeah, previous area of interest. Then you see this. It closed inside. It tweaked. Then it started pushing up. But I rushed my entry here because I didn't wait for a clear break of structure. Because this is not a break of structure because it's a wick and not a candle close. But yeah, but this is solely on me. But and my stop loss was tight. My stop loss because I was down and I was in drawdown. So like my mentality was like focused on getting back up, and that's not a healthy way to be thinking. So I put my entry in a long position. Yeah. You see this? I put my stop loss somewhere here. I got tweaked out. Then market moved to full TP. Yeah, same situation. But I also should have aimed for either this high, because there's an area of interest here, but more one to two here. Or I could have put, no, what's it called? Uh, Partials. Could have taken partials here. Could have taken other partials here. And then my final TP could have been here. But I rushed my entries. We're also going to see my trades. Oh yeah, these were the only trades I took in gold this week. These two trades, one and on Wednesday and on Friday. I should have seen this and taken this, but it's okay. There's always next week. Cause I was watching this video of this guy. He was like, he was on a loss for 2 years. Then after those 2 years, he made everything back in like a month, and like, it just clicked with me because that's all it takes. It takes a month of consistent profits to get you back everything you ever lost. So I'm not focused on like losing everything. I'm more focused over getting my skill up, basically. And let's review GBPUSD. For GBPUSD, this main thing, I should have seen this. I think I learned for GBPUSD. We can't we can't profit on these big moves unless it's like end almost end of Asia before London Open. So this is my setup. There was an auto block here, 15-minute time frame. There's an auto block here. You see market retested this level like a million times. And honestly, I shouldn't have entered here. Honestly, in my own opinion, I shouldn't have entered here. I should have rather aimed for this. killing me very tired at 6 in the morning. So yeah, and I had drawn my Fibonacci retracement tool, and there was a break of structure here to the downside after this big push up. So I did a wonderful thing here, waiting for it to. But the thing I did wrong was like trying to max out on like a big push. I just entered here on when where the market came back to retest, then closed here. Could have entered here. I could have put my stop loss here, somewhere above here. Then aim for my 1 to 2. Beautiful. And pop. Could have hit TP. Could have been done. But I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to. And as you can see, like this area is like support. This support. Yeah, it's a support zone. So it broke out, but it failed to keep on pushing up. Immediately closed back down. So yeah. So one thing I learned about GBPUSD is that I shouldn't be focusing on like big moves like these. No, I shouldn't be focusing on those. Because okay, getting a 9.76 RR is nice, but will have been stopped out. Like what happened? Stopped out. Could have been aimed for these lows here. Market moved, hit TP. But it's okay. It's okay. It's always next week. From now on, I'm going to be working with 0.5 percent. And there's another trade. Yeah, this one say. I got stopped out here. The market immediately moved to my TP. This pain. This pain. I got stopped out down here. And pop, market moved. But you see for these. Sorry about that. What the hell is it? Oh, but you see for this. It was my bad. I rushed this entry. I shouldn't have taken longs here because there was no confirmation of taking longs. I don't know what I was thinking. There was no possibility of taking longs. I don't know why I took longs. The thing I should have done is area of interest. This order block. I look at this. I should have waited for a play like this, then drawn my Fibonacci retracement tool. Then after this close, this mark, see this lower high, then there's this big push. This lower high, this is a higher high. Put my entry here, stop loss here, aim for 1 to 2. Will have worked wonderfully well. Excuse me. Will have worked wonderfully well, but I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, could have been gotten a 4 hour trade, but I want to focus with the 1 to 2. Okay. Just reviewing this, it's crazy because my market analysis is okay. It's respectable. It's because market still moves the way I want it to move. I predict it to move, but it's just that where I put my stop losses, where I put my entries, it's just the thing I need to focus on. Hopefully, coming next week, Monday. Tomorrow is Monday, so hopefully tomorrow might get a setup, might not get a setup. I don't want to force anything, but yeah. should have gotten these trades. Oh, and the first setup I took was on. I took 4 trades, yeah. I took 4 trades. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Instead of 1%, risking 1%, on Friday I risked 0.5% on both setups, both gold and GBP. I should have gotten. I should have hit TP, but I have to work on my entries and my stop loss position, and I also have to get fear out of my system. The fear of losing a trade. I have to get it out of my system. Well, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I stuck around till the end of the video. I appreciate it. Much love. See you on the next one. Bye.